Hi guys, I'm Keith Malcolm from Perth, WA. Been riding with Black Dog now for 5 years, raising awareness for mental health and depression. And for the first time, we're taking it to America to raise awareness over there for the mental health cause for first responders. So please join us. Come and have fun with our brothers and sisters and follow the journey on the Black Dog Facebook page. Thanks.
Depression affects so many of us. My father, my mother, my brothers and sisters, we all had it sussed. No, it stayed within. People didn't know. We thought it a sin. Struggling every day, struggling to stay. We needed to find something to keep it at bay. A shadow so black, a never-ending fear, a cry in the dark for someone to be near. That black dog, he knows where I live. He won't beat me, I intend to give. This ride I take is the ride of my life. This is the time to voice the strife. Tell it how it is, tell it so true. Our families suffer, seeing us so blue. They don't understand, try as they may. This is our journey, the journey to stay.
I was something to see, like a rock.